Hey guys, so for today's video, I've partnered up with Sally Beauty to show you all of my favorite products for a fresh start in 2018. I'll show you different products and I'll give you ideas for new looks for 2018 to kind of achieve a renewed and nourished look from start to finish. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So first off, I wanted to start out by showing you guys this generic value product, and it's a leave-in treatment. It's comparable to the Sebastian Potion 9. It makes your hair so healthy and so soft. I love it. So here's another one from the generic value products, and this is an intense treatment. And this one's comparable to the Paul Mitchell Keratin Intensive Treatment. So this one enriches and repairs damaged hair, and this is also amazing. So here's a product from Noodlehead. This is a leave-in conditioner, and this is perfect for girls with curly hair. This conditions your curls, defines them, and leaves your hair so shiny and smooth. All three of these products are perfect for the new year and can help give you that fresh start. So now I want to show you a tutorial using these Ion products. First off, I'm going to use the Ion Dry Shampoo Day 2 Solutions. I'm going to spritz this all in my hair, and this is perfect for me today because I don't think I'd washed my hair in like 3 or 4 days, so it's looking quite greasy. And I'm just going to take my fingers and kind of shake it in like so. And then next up, I'm going to use a Day 2 Solutions product also from Ion. It's a Style Extender Serum. So this is definitely going to make your hair shiny, soft, smooth, and smell good. So this stuff is amazing, and if your hair is dry, this is wonderful for it. So now I'm going to use the blue Radiance tool from Hot Shot Tools, and I'm just going to curl my hair. I'm not going to do anything crazy. I'm just going to kind of wrap my hair around the wand, move the wand up, move it down, and it's just going to create a really soft and gentle wave. I'm not going for anything like too dramatic with my hair. I just want it to look better than what it did. So I'm just going to do this all throughout my hair. So your hair should end up looking something like this, and then you're just going to do curls on both ends. Then I'm going to take my dry texture spray from Ion, spritz it throughout my hair, and this is just going to give my hair some life and some volume, and this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to do a braid, well, a twist. So I'm going to take 2 sections of hair, twist the bottom over the top, then add in hair to the top section, and then add in hair to the bottom section. Take the bottom strand, twist it over the top, add in hair to the top and bottom strands, take the bottom strand, twist it over the top, and then repeat. So you want to add hair to the top strand, add hair to the bottom strand, then take the bottom strand and twist it over the top. And then you just keep doing this, so add hair to the top, add hair to the bottom, twist, and then there you go. So then you just have to resituate your hands once you get to the back, but you do the same process. So you want to add hair to the bottom strands, add hair to the top, and twist. And then once you get towards the back, then just stop adding in hair and just twist the 2 strands over each other like I am doing here. And then once you get about halfway down, you're going to just tie it into a clear elastic. Then I'm just going to open up one of the twists and then take the other twist, pull it through, and then bobby pin both of those into place. And then I'm going to remove the clear elastic, and then your hair should look something like this. So it is super easy. I love this hairstyle. I love doing twists. They look so complex, but they're so easy and doable. So yeah, love this hairstyle. Okay, so now on to skin. We got the hair done, now we're doing some skin. So I'm going to take this Freeman Renewing Cucumber Mask. It's a peel-off mask, and it makes your face so soft, so moisturized. It's amazing. So it's a very thick feeling mask, but just put it all over your face like I'm doing here. It's clear, so it doesn't look too crazy. Make sure you don't get it like in your hair or in your eyebrows because it will peel off and it will not feel good. So just put it all around the spots that you want to, and then you'll end up looking like this, and then you just have to wait. And then you can tell when it's done because the edges kind of start to peel up, and then you're just going to peel it off. So mine actually peeled off in like 1 or 2 peels, so it was really nice. This is my favorite part of masks, just peeling it off. It's like the most satisfying thing ever to me. But after I peeled it off, my skin felt so soft, so hydrated. I love this mask. So now that our skin is clear, we're going to do some makeup. So I put some tape around my eyes, and I'm going to use the col-lab eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to dip into a couple shades. So I'm going to use this lighter brownie orange shade, and I'm going to make this my transition shade, and I'm just going to buff this throughout my crease, and I'm just going to go back and forth, windshield wiper motions, until it is all nice and blended. Now I'm going to dip into this beautiful pink shade, pinky red shade. I'm going to put it on the outer corner of my eye and just really blend it, and I'm going to pick some up and kind of push it into my crease, but not too much. We're mainly going to focus this on the outside of the eye. So now I'm taking this deep brown shade and mainly putting this on the outside of my eye, and then taking a different brush and just blending it. Then I'm taking the shimmery shade, putting it all over my lid. Next, to make the eyeshadow pop even more, I'm going to use the col-lab pigment in A-List, and I'm going to wet it. So I mixed a little bit of water with the pigment and then placed it on top of my eyeshadow, and it just looks so beautiful. I love how it turned out. So this is what it looks like with mascara and my face done, and now onto lips. So this is Ardell's Whipped Lipstick in Unsafe and Wicked. And I'm just going to tap it onto my lips and then take my finger and kind of blend it out, because I don't want anything too harsh on my lips, and this color is a lot deeper when you use it like you're supposed to. And then once I do that, I'm actually going to put this nice shimmery lip gloss on by Palito, and this is in the shade Pink Candy. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked the makeup and the hair, and I hope I gave you some inspiration. Have an awesome day, guys. Bye.